Hello students, I am your online teacher Anamika Jha. Today we will discuss highest common factor HCF and lowest common multiple LCM with examples. First topic is highest common factor. Highest common factor HCF of two or more given numbers is the highest or greatest of their common factors. It is also known as greatest common divisor GCD. To find the HCF of two or more numbers, we can use any of the following method. First is common factor method. Second one is prime factorization method. Common factor method. Let's find the HCF of 18, 24 and 42. First, find all the factors of the given numbers individually. First, we will find the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. Therefore, common factors of 18, 24 and 42 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So the highest common factor of 18, 24 and 42 is 6. Therefore, HCF of 18, 24 and 42 is 6. Next method is prime factorization method. Let's take one example. Let's find the HCF of 27 and 45. First, we have to find the prime factors of 27. 27 is an odd number, so we will start with prime number 3. 27 divided by 3 we will get 9. 9 divided by 3 we will get 3 and 3 is a prime number, divided by 3 we will get 1. 27 as a product of its prime factors is written as 3 into 3 into 3. Let's find the prime factors of 45. 45 is again an odd number, so we will start it with 3. 45 divided by 3 we will get 15. 15 divided by 3 we will get 5. 5 is a prime number. 5 divided by 5 we will get 1. 45 as a product of its prime factors is written as 5 into 3 into 3. Using prime factorization method, we have 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 and 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. So 3 appear 2 times in both the lists. Multiply all the factors which appear in both the lists. That is 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. Therefore, HCF of 27 and 45 is 9. Next topic is lowest common multiple LCM. The lowest common multiple LCM of two or more given numbers is the lowest or smallest of their common multiples. Let's take one example. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Because 15 is a multiple of 3 and also a multiple of 5. And it is the smallest common multiple of both the numbers. Other common multiples are 30, 45, etc. But they are all larger than 15. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. One fact about LCM. If two numbers are co-prime, then the LCM is the product of the two number. Let's understand this with an example. Find the LCM of 7 and 13. 7 and 13 are co-prime numbers. Factors of 7 are 7 and 1. Factors of 13 are 1 and 13. So the LCM of 7 and 13 is their product. 7 into 13, which is equal to 91. First method to find the LCM of the given number is common multiple method. Let's understand this with an example. Find the lowest common multiple of the numbers 8, 12 and 18. For this, first we will find all the multiples of 8. Then we will write all the multiples of 12 and then we will write all the multiples of 18. Here we can see that the common multiples of 8, 12 and 18 are 72 and so on. So the least of these multiples is 72. Therefore, the LCM of 8, 12 and 18 is 72. This method works only when there are very small numbers. Next method is prime factorization method. Let's take one example. What is the LCM of 12 and 90? Write the prime factorization of each number. 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 and 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Write the prime factorization of each number in exponential form. That is, 12 is equal to 2 comes 2 times, therefore 2 square into 3. And in 90, 3 comes 2 times, therefore 2 into 3 square into 5. Now is the time to choose the numbers that we are going to multiply to get the LCM. First, between 2 and 2 square, we will select 2 square because it has higher power than 2. Secondly, between 3 and 3 square, we choose 3 square because it has higher power than 3. Finally, since the base 5 is by itself and we have nothing to compare it with, we will automatically select it to be included in the group. Therefore, the numbers that we are going to multiply to determine the LCM of 12 and 90 are 2 square into 3 square into 5, which is equal to 4 into 9 into 5, which is equal to 180. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 90 is 180. A very convenient method to find the LCM is common division method of prime factorization. In this method of prime factorization, we proceed as follows. First, arrange all the given numbers in a row and separated by commas. Start with the lowest prime number which divides at least one of the given number exactly. Write down the quotients and any undivided numbers in the next line. Repeat the process as until 1 is the only common factor. Find the product of all the divisors. This is the required LCM. Let's take one example to understand the steps. Find the LCM of the numbers 36, 48 and 72. Here is the answer. Here we have arranged all the given numbers in a row separated by commas. All are even numbers. So we will start with prime number 2. Write all the quotients in the next row. We will repeat this process until we will get 1. Now the product of all the divisors, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 144, is the LCM of 36, 48 and 72. So students, concept of HCF and LCM is clear. Now we will study relationship between HCF and LCM. The product of highest common factor HCF and lowest common multiple LCM of two numbers is equal to the product of the two numbers. HCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number, product of the two given numbers. Or we can say that LCM is equal to product of two numbers, first number into second number divided by HCF. On the basis of this relationship, you can solve many word problems. Students, topic LCM and HCF is complete. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.